On August 1, 2022, a Sand Springs business called police to report a larceny at their business. The caller provided a vehicle description and tag number, which led police to the subjects who were in a stolen vehicle. A pursuit ensued between the vehicle and Sand Springs police that entered Pawnee County. Oklahoma Highway Patrol troopers joined the chase and eventually used a tactical vehicle intervention maneuver to spin the driver out. As a result, the vehicle spun into a trooper's patrol unit and also crashed head-on into a Sand Springs vehicle. The officer outside his car, and another inside their car, fired their guns but didn't hit anyone. The chase ended near Keystone Lake in Pawnee County, where the people in the SUV they were chasing got out and escaped before being found several hours later.
Still westbound 64, speeds 90 miles an hour, light rain. TVI. Who's involved? Start firing instant.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Stop the car!
He just rammed us. Shots fired! Shots fired!